This is a video on how to update the Acaia Lunar scale to become a Marzocco connected scale. You're going to need two apps on your phone. One is going to be the Marzocco app, and one will be the Acaia Updater app. First, confirm that your scale is compatible. Look at the bottom of the scale, and compatible models will have a USB-C charging port and a serial number that start with AL008 or newer. Let's get this guy updated. Navigate to your coffee station and add your Acaia Lunar scale there. The app will detect the scale, and then it'll prompt you to purchase the upgrade license. You'll be able to enter your email address, the scale serial number if it's available, and your payment information. Make sure you do not power the scale off during the firmware update. The update can take some time. After the firmware installs, return to the Marzocco app. Navigate to the coffee station, select your equipment, and then train the scale. Once you create a coffee station, then you can train the scale. So go into the Linear Mini, scroll down to brew-by-weight, and then you have this location training required. So set the scale right underneath the group head and click train scale. Your Lunar will now function as a Marzocco connected scale. Now that your Acaia scale is updated, you can use it for brew-by-weight on the Mini or grind-by-weight on the Pico. And if you have any questions about this update, let us know at Marzocco Home.